Guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make instant noodles. So you'll need 1 liter of water, a bowl, a saucepan, an instant ramen, and chopstick, and a working stove, and a fire. So first we'll put in the 1 liter of boiling water. And then we'll turn on the stove to high and let it boil.
In this scene, water is heated to around 210 degrees Fahrenheit or about 100 degrees Celsius for it to be boiled. The heat needed to bring room temperature water, which is about 72 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, can be calculated using Q equals MCAT formula. The mass of water we used is about 1 kilogram. The specific heat of water is 4,186 joules, and the change in temperature is 59 degrees Celsius. Multiplying these values results in the amount of heat added, which is 577,668 joules.
Now that our water is boiled, we could put in the ramen noodles. While this is cooking, we have a sponsor from Audible. Audible is the leading provider of audiobooks. They have over 180,000 of books to choose from, which is incredible. The book I'm currently listening to and highly recommend you is Physics Textbook. Use my code CookingChef83 to get 2 free audiobooks. Thank you, Audible. Very cool. Let's get back to our cooking. Alright, so it looks like our noodles are ready to go. Yo, what the? First, we should drain out the water since it's already cooked. And let all the water drain. So the ramen is cooked. Yo, what the? Okay, we should move to a different area because there are a lot of flies around. Okay, so now that we're at a different location, we could put in the spice. If I could find it. Damn, where is it? A fly? Damn, there are so many flies. We need to move to a different location. So there should be spice packets that come with your instant noodles. So let's put that in. Oh. And now we should mix it. And let me go find my chopsticks first. So I found my chopstick and let's start mixing it. And then I'm gonna taste test it. Pretty good. What the heck, fly?
The concept of acceleration is involved in scenes when the fly is smacked by the hand. The fly travels about 2.5 meters per second, which is its initial velocity. When it is smacked to the ground, it is at rest 0 meters per second. It took about 1.2 seconds for the fly to land on the ground. Using the acceleration formula, A equals change in velocity divided by time. The acceleration results in about 2.08 square meters.
I'm hungry. What the?
While we were filming, we moved to 2 different locations other than our initial location. Our initial location was near the basketball court. From this location, we moved to a picnic table near the pond, which in total was about 43 meters, which is also our displacement. Since it took us 16 seconds to move, the velocity can be calculated by dividing the distance by time, which results in 2.69 meters per second. From the picnic table, we moved to a tree near the playground. We traveled a total of 98 meters in about 35 seconds. Therefore, our velocity is about 2.8 meters per second.